tubers, and welcome to the Pistol Ironman Workshop. Now down at the shop we've noticed the sudden popularity growth in the small micro bikes. So the bikes with the little CC engines really taking off at the moment. Now that might be down to Honda in the last few years releasing their Grom and the new incarnation of the Monkey bike and the C125, all these like nice small classic looking bikes, but have really people of this gone for them and it's taken off. So we wanted to give our take on the smaller bikes. You might have seen our Monkey in the background of some shots and in discussions, but we do own another one, and today we're going to give you our opinion on it. I'm going to do you a walkthrough, show you around it, see the pros and cons of them. We didn't want to, we're not trying to jump on the trend, but this is our contribution. We noticed they have taken off in the UK certainly, and probably around the world. So we're going to show you now what we have and why we like the little bikes. This is a Kymco 125 K-Pipe. It's a 2015 model. They do a 50cc and a 125cc, and this is the larger of the two. Yes, quite a bit. It's not meant to look like this at all really, it's meant to be a road bike originally. These wheels have been swapped out for knobblies, both sides. It's had a rear brake conversion into a disc rather than a drum. It's running a completely different carb, all cooler, and a bird skirring exhaust. Also the headlights have been changed for more trial stance. Yes, around 70 miles an hour, which is more than enough for this little bike, especially with its 14-inch rear wheel and knobbly tyres. Not very well, it does take getting used to. You've got to take control of it before it takes control of you, but it's manageable. And that's our little micro bike. Thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out all the other videos and stay tuned for more like this. See you again.